Good morning, guys. It is raining.
Been together for a long, long time. Time goes by so fast. Maybe it ain't been long enough to forget how it began.
Guys, dito ako sa may mga bawang. Tinatanggal ko na sila. Kasi wala na yung mga dahon niya. Tignan mo, patay na. So, yan. Ito, yung iba buo, yung iba hindi. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pero, yan. Hindi ko alam kung nasa na yung iba dito. Dito eh. Tingnan mo, oh. Yung iba napuputol na. Nahuli na yata ako ng pag-harvest nito. So yan na yung ating mga bawang, guys. Ito yung pinakamalaki niya. Yan, ito pa. Yung iba hindi ko na nakita kasi tanggal na yung pinaka ganito nila, oh. Anyway, tutubo naman yan ulit maybe next year. So, and then tinanggal ko na rin yung ibang sibuyas kasi kinaykay ng manok. So patutuyuin ko to kagaya nung sa sibuyas, and then tsaka natin i-process. Oh my gosh, you guys, ang laki, tingnan mo. I think this is Japanese beetle.
Say no, no, no. I wanna see that you really wanna go. Oh, oh, all the way. I don't care what you think about me. I don't care what you think about me. I wanna be open and free. I want to let it out. Let's take the road. Find some place to hide, you and me under the night sky. You know, I never wanna go. I really wanna say, but you might say no. If you wanna say that you never let me go, I will stand beside you. You know, I never wanna go. I really wanna say, but you might say no. If you wanna say that you never let me go, I will stand beside you. To the stones and the sunny days, I don't mind spending every day by your side. Everything feels right. In the quiet of the dawn, we kiss into eyes. See the depths of our love once you see realize. Tell me this is real. Tell me you'll stay near. You know, I never wanna go. I really wanna say, but you might say no. If you wanna say that you never let me go, I will stand beside you. You know, I never wanna go. I really wanna say, but you might say no. If you wanna say that you never let me go, I will stand beside you. say no, no, no. I wanna see that you really wanna go.
go guys, our setup is done. The filter is here. And our ladder is there. And then we put a shower mat in there. So we put our old one there. And now it's time to fill up water in our pool. The ducks are so happy because they have a deep pool. There you go guys. It will be ready maybe tomorrow. So it's gonna take a while to fill it up. Is anybody there?
I really wanna say, but you might say no. If you wanna say that you never let me go, I will stand beside you. You know, I never wanna go. I really wanna say, but you might say no. If you wanna say that you never let me go, I will stand beside you.
Oh wow. Look at the fog. And good morning guys. Let's check the water in our swimming pool. Oh, okay. Wow. It's like more than half. So probably a couple more hours and yeah, so as you see guys, it's not really level, but yeah. See, there is like halfway. Here, not really. So and guys, check natin yung ating swimming pool. Alright. It is 11 o'clock right now. Wow, it's not that cold.
Yeah, it's not.
Yeah.
Really big. I think we could probably fit 20 people in here.
Uh-huh.
Why is it on it?
Yeah. Ang ganda ng ating panahon today. Look at the clouds, guys. It's beautiful. So, ayan. Binuksan ni Mr. yung ating filter. That's pretty. Very simple lang yung kanyang setup, guys. Tignan mo. Yan yung mga hose natin. So, yan siya.
Well, I'm very happy. The quality is good.
Yeah. Yan guys, pinapakuluan ko ulit yung ating beef last time. Gagawin natin sabaw. So, ayan na siya. So, yung gagawin ko next is tatanggalin ko yung yan. So, lahat ng sahog na nandyan, tatanggalin ko. And then, titimplahin natin siya ulit. Guys, diba? Amoy na amoy yung beef. And guys, mag-a-add tayo ng another pampalasa. So, bali, ito na yung last na pampalasa natin. So, meron tayo ditong carrots at saka tomatoes. And then, meron pa tayong mga idadagdag dyan mamaya. Oops. So, ito guys yung ating mga pangsahog dyan. Dagdag natin. Meron tayo ditong mais at saka patatas. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Marami pa tayong idadagdag na pampalasa dito. Sobrang sarap ng ating sabaw guys. Fully load talaga yung kanyang mga gulay at saka pampalasa. So, ayan guys, ito lahat galing sa ating garden. Ito yung ating cabbage, yung zucchini, sibuyas dahon, at saka yung sili. So, i-add pa natin yan dun sa sabaw natin. So, ayan guys, maglagay na tayo ng cabbage. Malapit na tayo matapos. So, ayan guys, next natin yung zucchini. Kaya malaki talaga yung kasirolang ginamit ko para sa ating mga gulay, pampalasa. And then yan, last na pampalasa natin, sibuyas dahon, at saka itong sili. So, yan, ilagay na natin lahat. O, diba? Kapag kumulo na to, and then lapit na maluto, timplahin na lang natin sa asin. So yun guys, ito sa mga bata. So i-season ko lang tong ating marinara sauce with little salt and pepper. 1 tablespoon sugar. And then we're gonna let it boil. Mix. So ayan guys, tapos na yung ating sabaw. Natimpla ko na rin yan ng asin at saka paminta. Ating pangsahog. So ito yung ating beef na pinakuluan dun sa sabaw. So, tatanggalin ko siya. Ganito. Ayan. Tapos, i-shred natin. And then, lagay natin mamaya dun sa ating sabaw at gulay. 4 platings na to guys. Ayan. Sobrang lambot niya na. Ayan. Tanggalin lang natin yung mga taba. Tsaka yung laman. Mix natin ito ulit.
What is that?
Pasta. And then, lagay na natin tong ating spinach and cheese manicotti. So, meron tong filling sa loob, guys. Cheese at saka spinach. So, yung gagawin natin, yan, lagay natin dyan. Gustong gusto to ng mga bata kasi ang daming cheese. There you go. And so, pakukuluin lang natin yung sauce hanggang sa maluto yung ating pasta. So yun guys, this is gonna be our platings. And let's put the meat in there and the toppings. And then now I'm gonna add the soup. There you go guys, that's our garden soup with beef broth. We can eat it with a bowl of rice or sourdough bread. There you go guys, yung ating pasta ay nato na. Making the garlic bread, let's check. There you go. Just air fry for 10 minutes. And we should, guys, ito turn off ko na to kasi baka masunog yung ilalim. Ayan, ready na tayong kumain ng lunch. Ewan ko anong oras. Past 1 o'clock na. So, which is normal sa aming lunch guys kasi wala namang pasok yung mga bata kaya okay lang. Yan, update ko kayo dito sa ating kamote. May mga roots na yung ating kamote. Here we go guys. Parmigiano Romano. There you go. Yung sabaw ng mga bata. Yan.
Do you have any sauce?
So, yan guys. Tapos na kami kumain. And then, maya-maya magpiprepare na kami kasi magsiswimming kami. Liligpit ko lang tong ating kaldero. So, ito yung ating natira. Oh, ayan. Yung mga bata kumain ng gulay. And ito yung ating pasta. Tara! Ubos. Diba?
Nobody cares about the instructions.
You found it?
If you say I will never let go, I will say no, no, no.
Okay.
I will see that you really wanna go all the way. I don't care what you think about me. I don't care what you think about me. I wanna be.
There you go.
I don't know why Big Mac is looking at this. Let them in.
Yan. So, ayun guys, nakabis na tayo. Ang ating swimsuit. Yan, from H&M. So, yan guys. Ito na yung ating mga tubigan. Tuwalya. Ready na tayo. I'm so excited. I hope you guys are enjoying your summer too. Si Hana at saka yung papa niya naglagay na ng hangin sa ating mga inflatables, salbabida. Ayan.
Been together for a long, long time. Time goes by so fast. Baby, it ain't been long enough to forget how it began. When I saw you walking down my street, didn't even know your name, but I got a feeling inside of me nothing's ever gonna be the same. Never gonna be the
guys, ito na yung ating swimming pool. And napakadali niya lang i-install. Siguro mas mabilis siya kapag may kasama kayo mag-install nito. And then, madali din siyang iligpit. So, ano siya, yung brand niya is Coleman. Sa Walmart namin nabili. I think 200 something plus or 250 or 280 plus, I forgot. But yeah, this is pretty good. You what?
Get me down! Push your boat!
Oh, Mama can see now. Oh yeah. Don't. Nyo guys, yung ating mga alaga ay nagpapalamig din. Nakahilera silang lahat. Hi! Hi Gwen! Hi Gwen! Yung ating mga manok dito nagpapahinga.